What's up, guys? Tim from Icon Motorsports here. Want to answer a question for you guys. We've been asked quite a bit. How do you guys do your shock adapters? So obviously our shock adapters come to us like this. We machine them out, T6 6061 aluminum, and then obviously the end result being what is shipped out in the kits. So I just wanted to kind of walk you along that process as to how we take this and turn it into this. And today, that's what we're going to learn. So step one is obviously we take the brand new machine part and we use it on our belt sander, and we get the taper exactly what it needs to be, in this case for the C8 kit. So we taper this down and get the proper angle on that, make sure it's correct as to what it needs to be, and then it goes over to paint at that point, and then it goes into the laser. You know, having a laser in shop, we do so many unique things and so many cool things with this laser, just to kind of give that added touch, that added feel of appearance, visual aspects of things, as well as attention to detail. Obviously paint is behind me. There's no more in paint right now. They're all getting etched as we speak, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So step one is always cutting out the template. So we load in the laser software itself, we load the design file that we designed for our adapters themselves. Take a piece of like plastic, acrylic, whatever we have, just kind of scrap laying around, and then we cut out the dimensional shape of the actual adapter itself, and it makes it easier to get the logos precisely where we want. It's not always perfect every single time. There's small variances here and there. It could be something on the table that, you know, we don't see, a piece of little debris that raises it up a little bit, kind of repositions it, but we try our best to get them as perfect and as accurate as we possibly can. So then we literally just put these adapters in here like so. And yes, we get asked quite a bit, why do you guys do such, like, at the end of the day, unimportant things or things that aren't necessary? And it's like, I don't think you understand how some of these vehicle owners, they love this attention to detail that we have made sure that that's our number one focus, is the attention to detail. We want to make sure that everything is as perfect as we can possibly get it, and to not sound cheesy, as pretty as we can obviously get it as well. The car is a beautiful car. You shouldn't put $1,000+ $2,000, $3,000+, you know, product on there when it's hideous or ugly, or doesn't care as much about the aesthetics of that car as you do, because I can assure you that we do. We care about it, and that's why we, yes, go through a lot of time that others would say, oh, that's just ridiculous, that's just a waste of time. Not to us. We truly, truly, truly are trying to make a product that you'll love, and every aspect of it you love. There's not an ugly part of it, or a, you know, just, it's designed for your car. Your car's beautiful, and so should your products that you put on it. Once we get them all set up in here like this, little extras, we'll close this up. We'll move our handy dandy fan over here. This is it. And then once they come out of the laser, we'll rinse them off, clean them, and they're done. I want to thank you guys for watching, as we just kind of give more of an insight into how we manufacture our shock adapters.